Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that aims to bring both style and substance to your kitchen, the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set in a striking turquoise. If you're looking to outfit your kitchen with a comprehensive collection of pots and pans, this GreenLife offering is definitely worth a closer look. Let's start by unpacking what you actually get in this generous 16-piece set. It's designed to cover all your cooking needs, from whipping up a quick breakfast to simmering a hearty stew. You'll find a handy 4-inch mini frying pan, perfect for single servings or melting butter. Then there are the everyday workhorses, a 7-inch and a 9.5-inch frying pan. For sauces and boiling pasta, you have a 1-quart and a 2-quart saucepan, both with matching lids. A more substantial 5-quart stock pot is included for soups and stews, also with a lid. Rounding out the pot and pan selection is a 2.5-quart sauté pan with its own lid, which is fantastic for pan-searing and then finishing dishes in the oven. Beyond the vessels themselves, the set comes with a 7-inch stainless steel steamer insert, adding another layer of versatility, and 4 essential kitchen utensils. So, right out of the box, you're pretty much covered for most common cooking tasks. Now, a major selling point for GreenLife, and rightly so, is their commitment to healthy cooking. This cookware features a toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating. What this means in practical terms is that the surface is designed to prevent food from sticking, making cooking and, crucially, cleaning up, a breeze. More importantly, this ceramic coating is manufactured without PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium. This is a significant factor for many home cooks who are increasingly conscious of the materials their food comes into contact with. The company also highlights that their ceramic non-stick is made from sand and produces 60% less CO2 emissions during its manufacturing process compared to traditional coatings. This focus on sustainability is a commendable aspect of the brand's philosophy. Comfort and safety in the kitchen are paramount, and the soft grip handles on this set are designed to deliver. Made from Bakelite, they're engineered to stay cool on the stovetop. This means you can move pots and pans around without the need for excessive oven mitts or potholders, adding a layer of convenience and reducing the risk of burns during active cooking. Even heating is crucial for consistent results, and GreenLife addresses this with reinforced, wobble-free bases. These bases are not just about stability, preventing accidental tipping, but they are also designed to distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. This helps to avoid hot spots, which can lead to unevenly cooked food, burning in some areas while remaining undercooked in others. Cleanup is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but this set aims to simplify it. The rivetless interiors are a clever design choice. Rivets can be notorious for trapping food debris, making them difficult to clean thoroughly. By eliminating rivets, GreenLife makes it much easier to wipe away messes. While the cookware is technically dishwasher safe for convenience, the manufacturer does suggest hand washing as a gentler method to help preserve the non-stick finish and extend the life of the cookware. This is a common recommendation for most non-stick surfaces. Monitoring your food as it cooks is made easy with the durable tempered glass lids. You can keep an eye on your simmering sauces or boiling vegetables without having to lift the lid, which helps to maintain consistent cooking temperatures by keeping the heat and moisture inside the pot. In terms of compatibility, this GreenLife set is designed for use on all stovetops except induction. This is an important detail to note if you have an induction cooktop. It's also oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which offers flexibility for recipes that require starting on the stovetop and finishing in the oven. A nice touch that aligns with the brand's sustainability message is that the cookware vessels, excluding the handles, are made with a minimum of 65% recycled materials. This commitment to using recycled content not only reduces waste but also minimizes the environmental impact of production. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set. On the positive side, you get a very comprehensive set with a wide variety of pieces for almost any cooking task. The toxin-free ceramic non-stick is a significant health and safety advantage, and the ease of food release and cleaning is a major benefit. The stay-cool handles add to the user experience, and the reinforced bases promote even heating. The rivetless interiors contribute to easier cleaning, and the overall aesthetic, especially in vibrant colors like turquoise, can add a pop of personality to your kitchen. The inclusion of recycled materials is also a strong ethical selling point. However, there are a few considerations. The cookware is not induction compatible, which will exclude some users. While oven safe, the 350 Fahrenheit limit is on the lower side compared to some other cookware, so if you frequently bake at higher temperatures, this might be a limitation. Also, like most ceramic non-stick coatings, longevity can be a concern for some users. While hand washing is recommended for preservation, the non-stick performance can degrade over time with heavy use, as is typical for this type of coating. The included utensils are generally functional but may not be of the same high quality as the cookware itself, which is common in such sets. In conclusion, the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set is a well-rounded package that offers a lot of value, particularly for those prioritizing healthy cooking and a more environmentally conscious product. Its comprehensive nature, user-friendly design with comfortable handles, and commitment to toxin-free materials make it an attractive option for many home cooks. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and health-conscious upgrade to your kitchen essentials and don't have an induction stovetop, this GreenLife set in turquoise is definitely a contender. Link in the description.